Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to take a look at the EcoFlow 3-in-1 portable cooler, which functions as a fridge, freezer, and ice maker. Let's get started. Unboxing. In the box you'll find the cooler itself, a 220V power adapter, and a car cigarette lighter charger. Optional extras include a removable battery and a wheel and handle kit for easy transport. Features. On the left, there's a handle which can be replaced with the optional wheel kit. On the right, you'll find another handle, an overflow reservoir, and the EcoFlow 180W power connector, identical to the solar panel connectors. At the back, there's a compartment with access to the removable battery. LED lights indicate the battery's charge level, and it can also charge devices up to 100W via USB-C. Front panel. At the front, there's the fridge door, on-off button, temperature control, ice maker start button, and ice release. The 38L fridge can hold up to 60 cans, and you can divide the space into separate fridge and freezer sections. It can store up to 6 5L bottles on the left and 5 on the right. The ice maker can produce 18 ice cubes in just 12 minutes. LCD display and connectivity. The LCD screen shows battery level, power source, 220V solar or car charger, ambient and internal temperatures for both fridge and freezer, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity. You can also connect the cooler to your smartphone via the EcoFlow app. Performance. The compressor uses 120W, and it can cool from 30 degrees C to 0 degrees C in just 15 minutes. The cooler has up to 40 hours of battery life at moderate temperatures. You can charge it with solar panels, taking only 2.1 hours for a full charge using 240W panels. In our test with a small foldable EcoFlow solar panel, we gained plus 1% charge every 15 minutes while using the cooler. The cooler is also IPX4 rated, making it suitable for outdoor use. Pricing. The EcoFlow 3-in-1 cooler costs Euro 1,399, with the removable battery at Euro 299 and the wheel kit at Euro 119. A bundle including the cooler, battery, and wheel kit is priced at Euro 1,518. Conclusion. The EcoFlow 3-in-1 portable cooler is an incredible product for camping or road trips this summer, offering a fridge, freezer, and ice maker, all powered by a removable battery with solar charging capability. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and a comment. And don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. See you next time.